Hello, today we will guide you through how to create release in GitLab. To begin, open GitLab and make sure you are on the home page. This is the main starting point where you can access your projects and navigate to the area you need. If you are already signed in, you should be able to move directly into your workspace without any extra setup. Once you are on the home page, look to the left-hand navigation panel and click on Projects. This section contains the repositories and project spaces available in your account or group. If you work with multiple projects, this is where you can quickly find the one you want to manage. From the Projects view, select the project you want to create a release for. In this example, the project shown is called Sample Project. Opening the correct project is important because releases are always tied to a specific repository, and everything you create here will belong to that project. After the project opens, move again to the left side navigation and click on Deploy. This area is where GitLab groups together features related to delivery and distribution. It is a helpful section to remember, especially if you will be managing versions, environments, or deployment-related tasks in the future. Under Deploy, click on Releases. This will take you to the Releases page for the selected project. Here, you can view any existing releases and manage version history in a more organized way. Releases are useful for marking important versions of your application or codebase, especially when sharing updates with your team or preparing something for deployment. On the Releases page, click Create a new release. This opens the release creation form where you can define the details for the version you want to publish. Take a moment here to review the available fields so you understand what information GitLab expects. Next, enter the required information and then follow the on-screen procedure to complete the release. Depending on your project setup, this may include details such as the release tag, title, description, or associated source reference. Be sure to fill in each field carefully so the release is clear and useful to anyone reviewing it later. A well-written release entry can make it much easier for teammates to understand what changed and why the version matters. Once everything has been entered and reviewed, continue with the prompts shown on screen to finalize the release. And that's it. You've successfully gone through the process of creating a release in GitLab.